folks, hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to do a little bit of comparison today. Last summer, I canned potatoes. I canned potatoes the traditional way. I parboiled these, or blanched them. Then I put the hot water in there and processed them for the correct time. Well, I realized that I could do things a little differently. A friend introduced me to Rebel canning potatoes. Okay. These are the Rebel canned ones. You're asking, what in the world is the difference? Okay. As I said, these, I blanched them, I put them in the jars, I poured hot water on them, and I processed them. These, I cut up, I soaked in water with lemon juice, I drained them, I rinsed them, I put them in the jars with a little pat of butter and some salt, which I put salt in these too, and I processed them. Okay. Now you tell me, what do you think is going to look the best? Breaking the seal, and we're going to dump these out. Okay. That is the Rebel canning. This one is the traditional USDA recommended canning. What do you think looks the best? These potatoes are a lot whiter. The juice in there is much thicker. And these potatoes right here were the ones on the very top that weren't covered in the water. Maybe I should have soaked these in the lemon juice before I processed them. That might would have made a difference. I don't know, but the instructions didn't say to. And this one is off color too. Look at the difference color wise. These are the same kind of potatoes, but there's a huge difference in the texture of them and the look of them. And quite honestly, folks, there's a big difference in the taste of them. My family and I prefer these so much more, the Rebel canned ones, over the traditional canned. I will put instructions and video links for preparing both ways in the comments, and you let me know what you like the best. But I've had people ask the difference and want to be shown the difference. So guys, this video is for you. I hope this has helped you, and we'll use this in a recipe soon.